Howdy y'all, my name's Stevenile, and welcome to a Rubik's Cube video where I time myself to see how fast I can do it. In this video, I do two different challenges. I challenge myself with just a plain old 3x3, which I got my good one back right here. And I solved that, and I see how long it takes me. I think it takes me a little over 50 seconds, which is slow, but I also haven't had this Rubik's Cube for a while now, so I haven't been up to practice. And then I also do the 3x3 plus the 2x2. And time that, and that's a little over a minute. So that means I probably did this a little bit faster, or this only took me 10 seconds. But you guys enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.